Patana. Waliaya akatabo akakutambulira mu ndomo.
Obo segera.
Walia dictionary. Walia tape.
Neyo chorus ojulide.
Kati wali otegeza nti
ajina gwaja ajimbye ngala apalya waliwo napayimba
waliwo agamba sponsor
atoleta wano
abana nga tebakyatya
nkubuza ekibuzo dikanyo kyabadalese notakiddamu you shira gashumba konzo
nkolagana
kyeri awo
mpulira ku kapo byaba neiberi eyo
ate gwe tomulyanga mungayagala bali ku TOP
bamuyingizeko mu VIP mapu MAP wabuli omu nga pepa ya GP tata basirikale ba IGP
nedda kati kule west ku list gy'omumanyiko tumenyeyo nga bana ng'ogyeko fieke
bano inabo oyagala okwogera
polisi yamanyiko bana
ligani yaine ebimusiiwa ayagala
watyo
wamafefe yakuuza ekibuuzo obulamu bwo buno bwonna olina okuba nga olina ebintu byobadde weewulira nga mu butuufu obisobola apart from
music
njagala ombuulire singa tobadde mukubi walagaye manya walaapu oza wandiise angoki
singa toliwo ku galakisi ngalabe bandikwagaziza
ekyo kiba kikola
amakutolamu bakugumiikiriza singa nakugobya dda ttaano
wandimusonzeemu oyo njagala omulimu gwe
So, but for now, what do you do besides music?
Besides music?
Because here, do you produce?
No, I don't produce.
You write?
Yeah, I write music, but I don't do anything apart from music. I take music as my first priority.
Okay.
And I specialize more.
Income, outcome, eating.
Any manager?
Manager wange nkola ne Arafat. Arafat nambemu.
Mwasooka yasooka n'akudduka. Mbu wali ogudde.
Yali azanyira mu business. Nange nali nzanyira mu business.
Bakayimba tozanyisa business.
Tozanya business. Tozanya naera ne twekwatagana ne tutereza business and we're working and it's going on smoothly.
It's going actually on smoothly. I like what he's doing. I was telling these guys before you came in that I like that there are issues with artists that we find, like as media people. We invite them for an interview, they come late. That's why you realize that we told you 8 when the interview is at 9. Because we know what happens with artists.
They told me 7:30, man.
Because that's what happens. But I was telling them that every interview that he has been called for, he shows up and on time. And every event is called that. You were the first artist to come for the carnival. To appear at the carnival and so many other events. So I was telling them, I don't know who manages him, but so far
big up Arafat Nambemo. I know he's on his listening.
There's Kamhanda Emily asking, who inspired your music? Who inspired you in music?
Inspired my music? When I go back into my genre of hip-hop, I would say JNL.
Okay.
Yeah, way back when I was in Form 2, I remember Nalimu Senior 2. Nampulira kayimba ka Soda Jinjare. Engechiya ekikuba.
Soda Jinjare.
Tekyakuba.
Tekyakuba. Album impya by the way.
Mama yakugamba ali mu film.
No, he has a new album.
Ali mu film.
He has a new album. Check his Twitter. He tweeted about it.
Tabani wolumba yaluweereza wano nga amuddamu teyasiima.
Ne who is who yajiddamu?
Neno teyasiima. Yagamba mbwakuze.
Amma ku bayimbi b'ebwewe muyimbi Kyakkuba ataliwo abantu
oliwo akaniga bakayita Wiz Khalifa akoko.
You actually kind of have the same.
Olaba oli yayatulima mbu Snoop.
Aligana ne Wiz Khalifa yegomba Snoop.
Ati kandi.
Era mwebamu.
Era byebimu. Yama.
What are your plans this year? Concert, what? Manyi Uganda. Wabawa nga yali kutoka. Atwaye Kivulu.
Balanga abamanja bangi, abamanja Kivulu sinza butakola Kivulu. Guno mwaka. Era chenyizo gamba bafani banga. I'm organizing and I'm going to be announcing so shortly and I tell you the date.
Oja kuba live obo ja kwata instrumental because hip hop na ye.
Rap is rap.
Rap is rap neche ngamba. Ngamba track yo jikuba.
Bibera mu ba DJ.
Soko ulize. Solid band. Enaja ye ngoma ya hip hop. Eminem wali omulabye ko ku solid band. Mugenda kubijja Kenya.
Kali tetukola aba hip hop. Okwata live band ya solid band. Nebera mutabika mweno DJ gundi.
Ye bayita Semirai.
Tekibera kino kya obadde omuyita wa Lukaga.
Ayinza okubira lingala ku lunaku lwo.
Marvin Kasubi agamba twagalayo collabos.
Yo.
Ngakoze nyingi ayina ne Siba.
Agambye anagamba like one with Gravity.
One with Gravity? I remember way back ndoza myaka ngesa tunayimba ko ne Gravity.
Kayimba
katoja bedam.
Sisubira kuddayo.
Kayimba kike mwayimba.
Nelson in Kawaragala says, Fefe Busi, do you have an album or mixtape coming?
Yo, I'm working on my album, Isaac. It's called Rot, Rise of Talent. Yeah, man, and that's I'm packaging it well.
Abajitambuza.
Kisha BMK Aisha from Bahrain says, I just want to thank Fefe Busi for the good work he's doing on the Ghana music industry.
Thank you.
I appreciate his performance on the songs All Star. He nailed it so badly.
Oh, that freestyle is going viral, man. Everyone is telling me about that. Thank you for the love.
Using it for life.
All
right. Questions in Alex Sikotorio says, what are your thoughts on people abozamwe nyimba?
People abozamwe nyimba. Anti mwana buli omwayoza n'ekigendererwa kye. Naye sagala tukifule mulamu okwozaamu. Mpazi kyenyinza okugamba Bannayuganda naddala abacriticizing abeefuula ba music analysts aba-analysts abo bakifuula kivumu okukola ki okuzaamu akayimba n'okwozaamu oluyimba naye balina okumanya buli kintu buli muntu bw'aba atandika you have what inspires you man okitegeera naye bwe yatandika oba okukola ki oba okuanalyzinga alina gwe yakola gwe yalaba okitegeera sometimes discouraginga nnyo omwana azzeemu akayimba ate naye aba ataddemu art okitegeera.
There is a start asking Fefe Busi. Of all the rappers abakola who is who besides yourself ani golowooza nti kale anti yakikuba yes yakikuba yali ani
yakikuba muli mukaddemu bakayitalo ekyo lekakinkubira
ate
bachali Ninyo mweri status ya female. Sala wa omero kitonde kisajja la kimu.
We ama ulira yo kam. We kubyamu. We kubyamu.
Pavilion.
Just me. Ngawo mani. Yeah.
Opa gwenze jokola.
Jakola chokola. To Facebook waliwo no bamita Calvin Klein Sparrow Gucci agamba that boy is bad. Most better than everyone. Only better than everyone.
I told them already many years.
Hey, bagambye this one is Starbex International Namatabajat yali tuned in agamba nti keep the beef.
Agambye aliwa?
Ava Starbex International.
Aucharo
namataba agamba nti bifu kisigaze ngo kiteekamu amaanyi kyekikola mbu abantu bakone ko
kuba muziki oyo muziki si bifu akati bifu bagwayo ngadda mu fireti.
Where do you see B2C soldiers in the next 2 years? Abantu balina ebibuzo byabwe kati Fefe Busi kati emintu abitunulira bulala ayinza okubakuba muka freestyle
ekyo kirala nnyo
ab'China bakubuuza Chogenda yo diba mitaka Kajimu Ivan Shanghai China.
Kajimu Chaigoro China bangamba ba China abo tebogira luzungu. Kaji Chaigoro China.
Nengo lubacho lulinyeke emirundi ejoya.
Njirinyeko. Sejiwera na njirinye. Era siringa ndikani.
Lydia Williams abuza. Lydia Williams. Oli mufumbo.
No.
How old are you?
I was born 93, so you can say.
Okay.
Eco youth.
Yes.
Understand.
Ghetto youth.
Yeah.
And there's Ella in Chireka saying, Fefe, give us an a cappella of Idi Amin Dada.
Yo, but rapuda, rapid mashon to say dada, industry and chamo, Sijan, Kubamu, La Baby Jirimu, Nava Jirim Nabimu, but Fabu Demo, Sentena Femo, Chinuma Bongamba, Imbu at the same, don't take them Babagama, Abayimba Chichimu, Abatiti Zabati, Abazenevarogamu, Ababulida Media, Eva Jubisemu, we'll get that Maria Tisewa Kanamu, Manila Kanama, Yagati Kamu, Yogamu, Napabulo Escobar. Mumba songa mura kubati mari wanatanjo bisamu atena kamera piwa na tegera teka elinya limutu kole kusente teka elindi dada tululi we in 1 2 3 dada we is so my god yo bad one that one kasoko we freestyle yeah soko we freestyle obanye mekwani oyagala yenna
kati waneno tulina wabasajja
kanyume ku gravity yali chali wange ali chali wange mfamfe ngampita bulaza tampita na fefe na mwesiga mututekeye waffe musabira kuwangala nga Ssaabasajja baffe nga bw'omanyi mbufe mwera mweffe nono yali yafuukira ddala omukuffe twayina eddalu nga tuwoganya bannyaffe nga bw'otusanga mu kkubo buli omu asonga muffe twakula ne tutuuka ne tuva maka g'abakitaffe ne tutandika okwebezaawo omwana ku lwaffe yafuna omulimu mu intaneti kaffe nange nafuna wenkola nga asaavinga buffe eno true story siri mu philosophy tali wange yafuuka nakyo catastrophe gwe nasabiranga essaala ewa kitaffe nga nsindika nalufeenye byange byonna bife nange natumiza balwapa okuva e Cuba bano byabalemye nabasingisa Juba anti bo bakuba Cuba ate nabawadde transport Uber yenze fefe busiwo nabagamba balwapa mbaweerawo mbalya nno nga mbazaakawo nenga Yesu mbabisa n'embaawo emmeza eriko Blue Cube yenze lwapa wakuta kati ku YouTube mbimba nga Ice Cube balwapa nabawadde za Ice Tube ate
nga YouTube
yeah this is not the usual music yo so listen at your own risk yo I run the show and I got the master. But say rank show master. ADD, Kakuwe plaster. Pepe with the small slender, small rasta. Can never take a thunder wange fast. No man away Jesus Christ. Aba wagiza bante kamu trusty. Aba galo kuetinga be my guesty. Nchali kubiru body chatsi. Inze simanyi kubebe kulisti. Kumukolo kwa rap undi chief guest. Nze body news nobody can test. Nze red light, nze danger. Yenze messenger yenze role model wa buli teenager yenze ame yenze soja nze ame yenze soja ba rapper abando jamba soja mba wenja mba kwasa obujja musijja sige jamba lumba muluja Maria ti wali DJ wali rabudada affirmation duso dada rabuda bano bantyanga dida mini dada rabudada affirmation duso dada
katikola moto yimba yimba ngamba dikanyo honorable webukoto sanje chiddako
yo
ko sekandi omukulu ennyo
kama ne sala
Dikani yo honorable webukoto muboboka anywa ku misokoto yo tuli kudikani yo eyamala yo asose kuzala wana navyo mana temubadde yo eno freestyle zakulira yo abadde ne chaliwe ono timo ayogeranga kayimba kademo awaddeyo memo yo anti mu rap ntuse abasinga rwaka bwe bazirisa mu yenze maka zaita fulanga manyumize story yoyo straka
kama mambo alira ne famaika
ono makanika yakatandika Bigani na musasude. Chobola ba ne mutraka agitude. Anti teli kumala budde. Obudde bwo bwa kumacha era bukedde. Barapa nkajja ku mutwe oswadde. Ayagala okuwandika mu muobudde. Nge motoka ya bebe kulu bafudde. Nzende sempya ngamba basudde. Elamba kude. Chobola ba mana rap on the sude. Ku kamera kuliko ka baby galo. Engeri je kajikwata mu kampa molalo. Atena kono kasimolo.
Yo,
sekasinga je muddo.
Kalowolezo gajjayo.
Anyway, this Ambrose in Ginger saying, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Yo, I see myself fully happy. Yeah, I see myself fully growing and developing. Yeah, mwana nerabira waggulu nnyo gwe mbaka tate sawa zino ndi wano nganze new king. Katatawo king ajja kuba mulala nnyo. Yeah man, palace ajja kuba egezze ne queen njja kuba mwanjudde. Yeah man.
What do you think we need to do to take music to the next level?
To our next level? First is to love our own. From the media houses to the Ugandan artists. Nabo bagamba media tikale fena tugana abayimbi tugamba media bichina ina fetu inosoko kwagala echafu feke nyini mabara
anti mwana
we could have a countdown here and you're number 1, you know? And you won't even share it on your social media, you know? But then you want to share where MTV has put you.
You know so
kati
it's
all katinga kino omuyimbi ogena mu bala okutte mu busimu bw'abanno
we biveko Mama, thank you for coming here.
Yo, it's a pleasure. It's always a pleasure being here at Galaxy FM. Akasamba tukotoji kwata kofa baliko karapa kakatavako.
Bafani bo bayitali nyachi. Bulandi bulumi babera ne linya lya bafani.
Abali bafani na bafula ba believer. Sicha inayo fani bona ba believer.
Atali God.
Bafani ba ujabuza nti ne bagenda. Ba believer tebasegu. Final words to the believers. Chenyizo gamba bafani nganzijeko ba believer bange banange bafani batukubira nnyo mulanga twebereremu tetugwana ine bafani bagwa nabo bebereremu fani agwa natuuka sebo nga talina zimuleeta mu kivulu okitegera tukolenga namwe mukola mwana fenna tetuloba okitegera era njagala basaba tebalekerawo kumpagira bawagira music we Uganda. Yeah man, God bless you all.